This is a how-to video that will cover the basics of programming the analog models of the K50 IO Touch Control with display from Banner Engineering. These models provide either a 0 to 10 volt or 4 to 20 milliamp output for dimming, speed control, or other analog-driven applications. The signal level is controlled via the two touch zones, and the light can be configured to display different animation states based on custom thresholds. Begin by connecting the K50 to your Windows PC using the Pro Converter cable kit and by following the diagram in the manual. If you're having trouble connecting, check out our troubleshooting guide on the Banner Pro Editor software. The first setting you will want to select is the output mode, which you can do via the voltage/current menu. For this example, we will select a current-based output. If necessary, you can set specific high and low signal values in the fields to the right, but we will keep them at the default values of 4 to 20 milliamps. Next, you can select the magnitude of each step in the signal, meaning that each time you press one of the touch buttons, the signal will increase or decrease by the step value. The next settings control what happens if you touch and hold one of the buttons. By enabling hold for step, the signal will rapidly change after touching the button for the amount of time set in the hold delay field. The amount of time between each step during this operation is controlled by the step delay field. If you wish to include specific text on the display with each animation state, you can enable this via the Show Display Text menu. If you wish to display a numeric representation of the output signal, leave this disabled and select analog or percent via the Display Units menu instead. The next step is to select the signal thresholds that will control which animation state to display. As the signal passes each threshold, the animation will change to the next state. Each state can be programmed with one of 11 animations and 14 color options. When you have finished selecting all of your animations and settings, click Write Device Settings to send the configuration to the device. That covers the basics of the analog K50 IO control with display. For more information, reach out to Banner Engineering.